Welcome! Let's see how binary search works in a binary search tree, or BST. A BST is a special kind of tree where each node has at most two children. And here's the rule. For every node, values in the left subtree are smaller, and those in the right subtree are larger. Let's try searching for the value 12 in this BST. We start at the root, that's node 10. Is 12 equal to 10? Nope. Is 12 greater than 10? Yes, so we move to the right child. Now we're at node 16. Is 12 equal to 16? No. Is 12 less than 16? Yes, so we move to the left child. Now we're at node 12. Is 12 equal to 12? Yes, we found our target. Binary search in a BST works by comparing the target with the current node. If it's less, go left. If it's greater, go right. If it's equal, you're done. This method is super efficient. It takes open the log n time in a balance tree. Thanks for watching.